Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the DREAME X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop.
And Dreamy sent us this for the review.
All right, let's check it out.
All right, so let's open her up.
All right.
Look how cute this is.
There's the quick start guide.
Dreamy.
Ooh.
And the quick start guide is all on this card. This is pretty cool. All right, what do we got?
That looks like an accessory box.
All right.
I think that's the ramp.
Okay.
All right.
And
There's the
box.
robot.
You put it over there.
I'll put it over here. Ooh, heavy. Okay. Here's
All
the
right.
dock.
There's a dock.
Got it? I don't think there's anything else in there.
Okay, what do we have? Let's see.
Start with the
There's a
dock.
piece of cardboard here.
All right. This is the tallest dock I've seen. It's really tall.
All right, and there's a place for the robot to go in.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool looking. Check it out. Look at this.
The water stains inside the robot left from the factory. Please rest assured to use. That's
So
interesting.
they say it's just, they're warning you about that. Look at this. Beautiful. Can you
Look
take
at
this cover off?
that. Look, it's like gold. Ooh.
It's pretty nice.
It is nice. Oh, it's got the plastic on it. Got to take it off. Here we go. Ready?
Ooh, that looks really good.
That's really snazzy. Look
Yeah,
at that.
snappy looking. So what do we got here?
Well, it's got an arrow on it.
This is down, yeah.
There you go. That's where the bag goes. Must be where the soap goes. It's got a soap on it. It'll wash the mop
That one
inside
on
here.
nice. What do you think this is?
Oh, this is the must be dirty water since it's gray. These are big, aren't they?
A little filter in the bottom of that one. That's
Jeez,
cool.
That's cool.
All right. It covers up nice so you don't even see it. This is really cute. And then on the back, what do we have on the back?
It's a place to put the. I don't know what that is. But it's a place to wind up the cord. It looks like if it's got.
Yep, this is a spot where you put the cord in here, and there's a little handle here.
That's how you turn it on. It's got a power switch right here.
Okay. All right, so that's that.
Snazzy.
What do we have here?
Let's check it out.
Does it fit here?
This fits right in there.
There we go. It's on there nice.
All right.
Okay. So manual here. Okay.
All right.
And then what do we got here?
Ooh, the little mopping pads. The mopping pads, an extra bag. A brush. Ooh. Wonder what that's for.
We're going to find out.
Power cord. And some soap.
They give you the soap,
Multi-service floor cleaner. That's nice.
huh? Yeah, that's pretty
Cute
neat.
little bottle.
Yeah.
All right, let's see the vacuum. The robot. Nice. Look.
Anything else in there?
Nope, just some padding.
Okay, ready?
Ooh, it's got AI.
Really?
That's what it says. All right. So this is a nice gold.
Is that gold? Oh, look at that.
gold.
That's cute. Oh, look at this. Look at the wheels in the bottom. Here, look at this.
Wheels on the bottom. So this has got what they call Pro Leap technology. And so it's supposed to be able to go over, well, it's not going to leap, I don't think, but it's going to go over small steps or thresholds, things like that. It does have some limitations on that. So we're going to test that out.
You got sensors in the bottom. They got the sweeping brush, dual rollers on this thing.
And this is supposed to take in hairs up to 11.8 inch hairs.
So if you have one of these and your hair is longer, you're going to have to cut it. So,
That's very specific.
all right, here we go. Ready?
All right,
Hold these
so
down.
let's put the little mops on.
See, they're magnetic. So you just
They're
put them.
magnetic. You just snap right in there.
There we go. And they're all nice in there.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're all set there. And then there's
Here's the camera.
camera AI up front.
Oh,
Some sensors on the side.
remove before use.
Hold on. What's it want to do? Remove before
let's-
use? Go ahead.
Ready? It's got some sensors there. That's where it's going to back into its dock.
And then it has one on the front the same way.
Here's the camera. It says
camera.
AI action.
And then look, another one.
Remove before use. Oh, little
Oh,
padding to
that's
keep it
cool.
nice in there.
And there's actually plastic on it.
Oh, I can take that off too.
Okay. That's the lid. And then inside, there's a box here with a...
With a filter on it. That must be
that's
where
a-
the water goes.
No, I suspect this is where the dust goes.
you
Because I think that's a dust filter.
Oh, well, maybe you're right.
We'll see.
I don't know.
Okay. Well,
Maybe that's where the dust goes. Something goes in there.
all right.
I'm going to find out. Okay, so that's the DREAME X50 Ultra. Let's go set it up and see how it works.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.